I bring my Pinebook Pro to church and I take notes on it. And I realize I would definitely like to have the Bible right next to where I'm taking notes to be able to compare. And it's just better than having it on my phone or, shuffling between my laptop and the hard copy. And so there's no data connection at the church. And I don't feel like asking pastors or anything like that for the Wi-Fi password. And I kind of also like just not having internet access while I'm there. So I think that's a good thing. And I don't know, I just like that idea. And so so I could just install Xiphos and download one of the versions that's available there through the Sword project. But the issue there is there aren't any translations that are the same as what my church uses. And so I decided, well, I want to have a copy of the Bible that's the translation that my church uses on my laptop. And so I went to a website that has that version, and it actually took a little while to get everything. I ended up with 1,189 HTML documents, and there's one for every single chapter in the Bible. The Bible is divided into books and then chapters. And so there's a HTML file, and then of course I've got the index here. So I've done a few things already. Using Bash and sed and that sort of thing, but I don't know. I need to brush up a little bit more on sed and awk. But using a Vim macro just seemed the easiest way to do this sort of thing, because all the pages are consistent except for obviously the text on each one. And so there's a bunch of, let's go. This is what I've created. And this is my index file. So you click here, you see uBlock Origin is actually blocking stuff. And you can go pre, next, etc. Go back home. So that's how it works. That's what I've set up. So let's go in. Pretty awesome. And so I want to take out all the script. This thing isn't running any JavaScript. I don't care about JavaScript being in there. I don't want that there. I don't want uBlock Origin popping up with stuff, even if I am using it offline. So let's make sure it's consistent so I can run this on every file. I'm in my directory here. I'm in the same directory on both of these. And so I'm going through, I'm grepping for this. I'm going to make sure all the output is the same. So there's 19. There are 19 script tags, starting script tags on every single one of these documents. That means it's unique. That's that way for all 1,189 of those. All right. So what we need to do is we need to edit this thing. So I'll copy this. Bye. So I'm going to use Brace Expansion to open up all of these files, every single chapter of every single book in the whole Bible. All right from the start, I'm going to go ahead and record. So Q, and I'm going to go to register A. See on the bottom left, it says recording. So I'm going to search for script, the beginning script tag, because I want to remove all of that stuff. So DIT deletes in, it means delete in tag. DD, delete the current line. DIT once again. All right, so I'll just edit this real quick. In to go to the next thing. So DIT, this one ends up on the end of the line. Capital D deletes to the end of the line. So we got next, DIT, and then this one has 5, so 5 DD, next, DIT, delete and tag. Let's see. All right. Now, let's write the file and go to the next file. All right, now we're on the second file. And now we can stop the recording. And now there are 1,188 more files to go. So 1188 at A is what we want to type. 1188 at A. There it goes. Going through all the rest of these files. That's awesome. I love that. Can't imagine doing that manually. All right. So that was fun. So much fun to share. And it'll clean up these files and save a lot of space. This folder is using 80 megs right now. I wonder what it'll be using afterwards. But all right. Hope you have an awesome day or evening or whichever time of the day it is for you.